everyone. Welcome to the beautiful teaching kitchen here at FoodLink. Today we have Dina and we have Estee from Kaweah Delta, and they are going to be showing us how to make a beautiful salad today that's quick and easy, wonderful for the summer, very fresh. Again, as you guys know, you guys have been participating with us in our teaching classes. We're offering this for free online, but if you want to look at the link below and then donate some money to us so we can continue this free education, we would appreciate it. And next month we'll be having a YouTube channel launch, so be on the lookout for that as we post links to our YouTube channel, and we'll have more cooking for you, more resources from our community, also like, you know, people doing exercises and stuff that you can do at home. Alright, so I'm gonna let these ladies show you this beautiful recipe, like all these wonderful and colorful ingredients, okay?
Okay, so good morning everyone, and thank you Andrea for inviting us to here to FoodLink. We're so happy to be here, right Dina?
Yes.
And we're going to be making today a wonderful tomatillo salad. Now let me tell you a little bit of history from me. I use tomatillos when I make salsa, when cooking, you know, carne asada, that type of thing. But I always make the tomatillos, I always cook them. So they're either boiled or they're broiled. So it's a different, this is a different way to actually use tomatillos. These tomatillos are going to be used raw. Don't get scared. It's not going to be bitter. Okay, I know that tomatillos can be a little bit bitter, but because of the ingredients that we're going to be adding, it's going to be so different, and the taste is going to be spectacular. So we already did some pre-prep. And actually Dina did all of that work. Thank you, Dina.
You're welcome.
But we're going to talk a little bit about the ingredients, and as you can see, we have everything that we're using right here. So we have cilantro, we have green onions, we have Anaheim chiles. Now these are not spicy, they are kind of sweet, you know. And then we have the tomatillos, we have carrots, we have red bell peppers, and then we're using Italian dressing. We're using cilantro. We did some delicious grilled chicken a little earlier, and then we're adding pepper to taste, and then we can use, now this is something that is optional, we're going to be using a bed of lettuce, but you know, Latinos out there, that we love to eat our tortilla chips, you know, what I recommend is that you get your corn tortillas and you stick them in the oven. You can lightly salt them if you want at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, and you can break them apart and use them as the dipping for this great salad. Or you can use them on tostadas and just put it on a tostada. So either way is delicious and fresh, and this is a recipe that you can take on a barbecue, you know, if it's a meal, if you're having, you know, a party or whatnot, and you're thinking of what to take right now in the summer, this is absolutely fantastic. What I do recommend is that once you make the salad, if you have the opportunity to store it overnight, it actually enhances all the flavors if you do store it overnight. If you don't, well, don't worry about it. You can stick it in the fridge for about 20 minutes and it's still good to go. So do you want to get started, Dina?
Yes.
All right.
So today's called the chicken tomatillo salad. So the first ingredient will be for the dressing. So 1 cup husked and quartered tomatillos.
Okay, so we're going to be blending that. So we already husked the tomatillos, and they're just been quartered, washed and quartered. So we're going to put that in.
And then 3 tablespoons of light Italian dressing.
Okay. So we have that.
1 fresh Anaheim chili.
And that's this one right here.
Chopped.
Yes. You did a great job. Okay.
And a 4 teaspoon ground black pepper.
Okay, so we're just going to pinch that in. There you go. Okay.
Okay. And we blend.
And we blend. So we're going to blend.
So for starting the salad, 2 cups of chopped cooked chicken. So we have 1 cup here, and I'm going to chop the other.
Yeah, let's go ahead and chop the other. So we just actually broiled this chicken right before the recipe. So make sure you don't overcook the chicken, because you want to make sure that it's nice and moist and juicy.
And tender.
And tender. And look at how tender that looks. Oh, wow. So yeah, so if you have a person that likes to grill and knows how, definitely take advantage of that. Okay, so then what else are we adding? So it's all cubed and cut, and what we did with the grilled chicken, it's just you just salt and pepper to taste, and just stick it in the oven for 350.
One cup of chopped red bell pepper.
Okay, 1 cup of red bell pepper, and we have it right here. What vitamin does this have?
What vitamin does it have, Lustoya? Let us know.
Well, it's packed with vitamin C, and it also has vitamin A, so it's really good for you. So okay, so we got that. What else?
1 cup of frozen thawed corn.
Okay, and we used actually the canned ones today because that's all we had, but that'll work, no problem.
Good and sweet.
Yes.
1 cup of chopped carrot.
Okay, and what vitamin does that have? Vitamin A.
Vitamin A. Oh, great.
It's good for your sight.
Yes, that I know.
Okay.
4 green onions.
Yeah, and these are actually my favorite. And you know, a lot of people don't like onions, so if you don't like onions, you can use less, or you can use even the red onions if you like. But I really like onions, and so these green onions are like my favorite.
Delicious. And a 4 cup of chopped cilantro.
Oh, cilantrito. Gotta make it Latino style.
Yes.
All right. What are we missing? Got it?
That's it.
Okay.
Preparation.
All right.
Preparation?
No. Okay, so now we have the tomatillo mixture, so we're going to go ahead and throw that on top. Now, I made this at a parent-teacher meeting, and some of the parents were kind of grossed out because it looks kind of greenish. But let me tell you, the taste is spectacular. And see how all of the flavors are being kind of absorbed? And this is why I recommend that you put it in the fridge overnight, because all of the flavors really, really get united, and it just gives it a spectacular flavor. So. And there you go. What do you think?
Looks delicious.
Maybe we can have Andrea over here, and she can come and taste it and see what she thinks. Do we have a spoon?
I heard my name.
Yes, Andrea. Yes. Let's put a little bit on these, but see how pretty that looks?
Delicious.
Oh, wow. See that? Beautiful salad.
Okay. Just need a spoon or something.
Yeah. Do we have spoons in here?
Sure.
There's a little fork.
Okay.
There you go.
So, just like to look at the presentation, that's really gorgeous. All right, so let's get into this.
Now remember, I added the Italian dressing, and that dressing really makes the flavor a lot better. Mm-hmm. Isn't it yummy? Mm-hmm. Now, can you imagine it on a tostada or tortilla chips? It's like going to be even better.
Yeah, so like you don't have to add a lot of extra salt and stuff because you already have that salad dressing, and
right.
The flavors from the other like fresh ingredients is very good and delicious. So just have a little bit more.
Yeah. just a little bit more. Do you want to taste some of it too?
Sure.
Here, I'll give you a little fork so you can taste some of it. You just don't double dip. Just when. But remember, please, if you have the time to make it the night before, please make it the night before, and this way you can have it ready for whatever party or get together that you're going to be doing. But yes, it is spectacular and it's easy. As you can see, it didn't take us that very long, and all the ingredients are very fresh, and you can actually get some of these ingredients at FoodLink, right? So it makes it even nicer. So thank you for having us, Andrea.
Thank you.
We really enjoyed coming, and hopefully we will be back again.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for coming out. We'll be posting these type of recipes through the rest of the year. We're also going to be posting recipes in Spanish to make it more accessible for our community, so look out for that too. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Thank you, Estee. Thank you, Dina. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a great day.